So Nnamdi Kanu registered with us and was our member. On 30th of June 2012, he registered and became our member. I still have his file with me. He registered and became our member. And of course, he told us that he is very good at media work, but that he didn't have money to run the media. So we said, okay, we will help. And then after every meeting, we will contribute money and give him. He said that they needed money for what they call airtime or something. I don't know, I'm not into media. But it was difficult, but any little money we gathered and our general meeting, we will also give to him. Initially, he was doing very well, promoting the movement, the Supreme Council of Elders of Indigenous People of Biafra, and the Obi-dient Human Rights Initiative, which was championing the case. And we were moving very well. He was now made the director of media. He was in charge of media. Then I was in charge of the